Now we're going on to the fifth law of exponents. Now we have a over b to the m. This is the same thing as having a to the m over b to the m. Remember, everything in the parentheses must be affected by the exponent. So for example, I have 4 over 2 and then x and then to the third power. I can do this in two different ways. So one way will be 4 to the third over 2 to the third and then x to the third. So everything in there must be affected by the exponent. And remember, this is the same thing as having 4 times 4 times 4 over 2 times 2 times 2 and then x to the third power. Now, if I were to simplify this, so 2 times 2 will be 4. So this with this and this will be gone. And then this is 2 times 2, 2 times 2. So one of these will be gone with this. And it's going to be 4 times 2 is 8. So 8 over x to the third power. Now, the next one, I have x and y over y to the second and then to the second power. So first things first, I'm gonna see if I can simplify anything in there. So I have x times y over, these are 2 y's, or y to the second power is like having 2 y's like this. So this y with this y will be gone. And I have not distributed the exponent, so now I'm gonna do the exponent. So it's gonna be x to the second power over y to the second power. Notice what I did, I simplified whatever is in the parentheses first, okay? Now, you could have done this over here too. So 4 divided by 2, it will be just 2 on top, and 2 to the third will be 8. That's another way to do this one. Now, I have one more example, which is 2x to the third power over x to the second power, and all this to the third power. So this is the same thing. So we have x, we have the same variable inside of the parentheses. Let's simplify that first, right? So this will be 2x to the 2 times 1. Remember, 2 and 1 will be 3 over x to the second power. And then all that to the third power. So this with this will be gone. And you're going to end up with 2x to the first to the third power. And this is 2 to the third, and then x to the third, which 2 to the third is 8. 2 times 2 times 2 is going to be 8. And then x to the third power. And you're done. And I'll see you in the next one.